mentioned that trust is like a basket. So the trustee only has control of what's in that basket. So if you own anything that's outside of the basket, then you need a will to, if you die, you need a will in order to take care of those items. Usually if you have a living trust, you'll have what's called a pour-over provision in your will, and what that means is that your will will just say if there's any assets that are outside the basket, then my executor is to put those assets into the trust, and they go to the trustee of the trust. Now you still may need a probate if the assets are valued is over $100,000, but at least they're going to go according to the terms of your trust. So you do need a will, even though you have a living trust. Do you need, what other documents? Well, when people come to see me, I try to make sure that in addition to a living trust, that they have a will. You heard earlier today about the importance of having an advanced healthcare directive. That's another very important document that people should have. And that's for incapacity. You also need to have, everyone should have what's called a durable power of attorney for property management. Okay? What that is, it's a document that is used if you become incapacitated. And if you have assets outside your trust, or you have retirement accounts, or insurance policies, or annuities, or any other business that's going on outside the trust, then someone needs to have your power of attorney so that they can handle those things for you. Now, it's very important that you make sure that, again, if you have any sort of chronic illnesses, you know, if you have dementia, you have Alzheimer's, or anything like that, and you're concerned about doing long-term care planning, it's important that you see a lawyer to make sure that that power of attorney has long-term care planning language in it. Okay, again, check that out, you sign your name to it. You got to be very careful about those documents because, you know, there's powers of attorney and there's powers of attorney. You know, I got a power of attorney on my desk right now that my son says, well, I got power of attorney. Well, it's a worthless piece of paper. You know, it doesn't let him do what he needs to do to take care of his mother's business. But he wouldn't know that because, you know, he just saw it on the computer and, you know, you think it's okay. So it's important that you really check these documents. But a power of attorney could be critical in a situation where someone loses capacity. They say that, you know, people over 65, there's a 1 in 6 chance that you can end up in a nursing home. And if you're over 85, that percentage goes up to 1 out of 2. So you really need to make sure that you have things in order. The question comes up, do I need a lawyer for my living trust? My answer is yes, yes, yes. As I mentioned, you know, when I've got a number of trusts in my office that were prepared by people doing it themselves, prepared by, there's a lot of, I don't think we have any in here, but there's a lot of financial services people, you know, they sell annuities, they sell insurance, they sell different financial products that are doing living trust for people. You have to be very careful. Even if someone prepares that or if you do it yourself, you need to have an attorney review that document to make sure, particularly if you're facing any kind of known illness or somebody in your family has any kind of illness, dementia, Alzheimer's. I keep ringing the bell on that, but I just see it all the time. You know, and once a person loses capacity, then they can't make changes to their documents. You know, in order to create a will, or in order to create a trust, or in order to create a power of attorney, you have to have mental capacity for that. And if you wait too late, then you end up in a conservatorship. So in summary, these are the things that I think are the most important for you to have. You've got to have a living trust. You've got to have an advanced healthcare directive. got to have a durable power of attorney for property management, and you've got to have a will. And that way your house will be in order. So thank you very much. Again, if you haven't done so, sign up for the free basket. It looks good. If nobody wins, I'm going to take it home with me.